people who monetize on YouTube and it takes them several months to meet their $100 threshold. And here I am getting my $100 threshold in less than a month. Oh my God. I was so happy and so proud of myself. Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to meet my $100 threshold really fast in about a week plus. Yeah, they're about on my lifestyle channel. So I don't know if you watched the last video where I talked about how I almost lost my monetization to my lifestyle channel and how I was able to really get my full-time monetization in about a week's time. Okay, so now after that, the next thing is to start earning, right? So I was very curious after I had been accepted to the YouTube partner program. The next thing is to start making dollars, right? And we all know that that is not really easy to come by, especially if you monetize your channel not with a viral video. If you monetize your channel through other means like live streaming, like sharing of your playlist, you know the way we normally build watch hours, the way you can work really hard to build your watch hours when it's not just any video of yours going viral, right? So if that happens, right, when you get monetization, trust me, getting your $100 threshold is not easy. So I got monetized, and then of course I was very, very excited and curious to know how soon I'm going to start making money. From the day I got monetized, I got accepted to the YouTube partner program. I started to monitor my earnings on my end section of my YouTube studio, or from the home, that home screen where it shows you everything, all the data, watch hour, just shows you a summary of everything that you are currently earning, your views, your watch hours, your earnings, right? So I started to monitor from there. And I checked the first few days. In the first 3 days, there was nothing. It was just $0, right? But I kept checking every day because I was, like I told you guys in the previous video, right? I was posting shorts, and those shorts gave me over 300 subscribers. What that tells you is that the shorts were getting views. So I was really, really curious to know how much I'm going to make from those shorts. Need I say that before now, I never knew that. I wasn't really, not like I don't know, but I wasn't really I didn't give much faith to earning on shorts on YouTube. Like, I just felt the best way to earn on YouTube is from your long form videos. Thanks to my friend Rose, who actually talked to me. She actually opened my eyes into how much you can earn. I think I made videos concerning this. You should reference the videos. I'll reference the videos. You can go and watch. You can actually make close to $500 to $1,000 a month from posting shorts. So I was very curious because my shorts were getting views. I wanted to know when is this money going to start coming in. And then I think after the third day, the fourth day, then I saw 0.2 cents. I'm like, okay, at least something has entered. Do you get? So, and then after that day, that 2 cents, the 2 days later, I saw I have gotten up to $1 20 something. I'm going to be posting screenshots, right? Because I'm currently filming with the phone that's the phone that has this data. So I can't really I can't really give you all of it. I already made some screenshots. So I'll be sharing it on the screen so you guys can be seeing what I'm talking about. Recall that I said I got this full monetization last month of June. So my earnings started from that ending of June into this first week of July, which is this month, right? So I started to monitor it, and then I saw that after like 2 days, I had gotten $1 and something, and then the second day it has grown up to like $5, and then that's how it started to go. And in a period of 1 week plus, I was really surprised. The dollar started to roll in. It was just really fast. It was really fast because my shots were going out every day, and I was getting views every day. And one of my shows that was doing well was increasing in views. In fact, I'm going to post the screenshot right now on the screen. It was increasing in views every day. So that one was giving me the most earning. So I noticed that after like 1 week, when it was the end of 1 week, I had gotten to around 60 something dollars. I'm like, oh my God. See, there are people who monetize on YouTube and it takes them several months to meet their $100 threshold. What am I even saying? I'm not even going to go too far. I have a sister, a blood sister who is here, who is a creator on YouTube. Yeah, her channel is doing very well as well. But before she got her $100 threshold, it took her 3 months. And here I am getting my $100 threshold in less than a month. Oh my God. I was so happy and so proud of myself. So at the end of 2 weeks, I had gotten about 60 something dollars. I'm going to show you on the screen. And then a few days after that, I had gotten to $120 something. Oh my God. Like just a few days, like that was like 2 weeks and a few days, I think 3 days. I had crossed my $100 threshold. I was really, really excited. And now as I'm speaking to you, it's just like let's say it's 4 weeks gone now, and I'm almost at 200. I'm currently at 190 something. I think 92, $90 right now. I'm going to share on the screen. So I made I made all of that in the month of between the ending of June to this second week in July. From what? Posting shorts. Well, you can check out the channel, the lifestyle channel. You will see that I haven't even posted my long form videos for several months. So any money that you are seeing on my screen right now, any earning you can see on the screen right now, was gotten from posting shorts. I hope this video helped somebody today. Please, I know that a lot of creators tell you don't post short, it's going to ruin your channel. See, I'm going to tell you something, right? From experience, this algorithm works, it works differently, right? It is dynamic. The algorithm you have for your long form video is different from the algorithm you have from your live stream. It's also different from the algorithm you have on your posts. It's also different from the algorithm you have on your shorts. But there's a way you can link all of them. Maybe when you post, you make reference to other videos. But trust me, especially people on shorts, they are not going to watch your long form videos. I'm telling you that no matter how many times you link it, if you go and check your even a long form video that does very well, when you check the analysis, you're going to see that it's mostly from YouTube page, like YouTube reference. What's it called again? Like when YouTube refers your video, right? Or from watch from your homepage or something, your channel page is a very tiny little amount percentage that comes from your shorts views, right? That comes from people from your shorts. And guess what? When they click on it, they click away. So it's not even good for you. So please, what I'm trying to say is that feed the short audience and then feed the long form video audience simultaneously. It will work for you both ways. Please, once your channel is monetized, I want you to know something, that it is your whole, that is, I don't know how to put it, it's like a gold mine. You don't leave it to go down the drain or lose your monetization or just go and sell your channel because your long form videos is not doing well. If it means if you decide to start posting shorts and you are making money from your shorts and you feel like, okay, let me focus on posting shorts, then do that so that you can earn. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you in my next video. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how short also transform this channel that you're currently watching now. Because now, I've been talking about my lifestyle channel, right? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.